Can you take anything positives from today?
Yeah, I think hopefully it'll give us a kick up the backside. We've won the last 3. We've probably been getting away with a few of the things we haven't got away with today. So it's a jolt. It might be a much needed wake up call, and we'll correct things in the week. We'll watch the goals back and some of the other clips, and we're expecting a really tough game next week against Newport. There's some good experienced players, some ex-Cymru Prem players. It's a big day for the football club, and the lads, I know the character of the lads. They're all disappointed, and I'm sure that they'll work hard this week, and that today's not going to define our season. And I'm hoping that we get a reaction next week.
Since I've been at Barri for 2 years, every game at Aber has been really, really tough, and I weren't expecting any different. So yeah, really pleased, to get through and sort of do it sort of comfortably. Obviously, the first goal helped in the first minute, so no, I'm pleased.
We know it's going to be a tough place to come, but we put in a proper professional performance and got our rewards for it. And obviously, on a personal level, I'm happy to get my 3 goals.
Yn gwybod bod pan mae un yn mynd mewn, yn anffodus i Aberystwyth, mae 2 o 3 yn mynd mewn. Yn hapus i cael gol gynta, a wedyn mae mwy yn dod.
Were you expecting a bit more of a battle from Aberystwyth this afternoon?
Yeah, like I said, it's always been a tough place for us, and we've come up here before and lost. But I think obviously the early goal really helped us, and we went on and kicked on from there.
Performances have been really good this season, and we've been pleased with it. It's just a matter of scoring goals. But we created so many chances, and I know it was going to come. So it's just pleasing now that the strikers have got 5 between them today now. And also I've got Dan Smith as well to come in, and Morgan Wigley who sort of come on the right hand side. So hopefully it bodes well now for the upcoming games, and they continue scoring goals.
Obviously we look to progress in both cups, especially this one with the reward at the end of it. So hopefully we can keep making progress.